Maraming salamat po mga Noranians. I love you. Panghabang buhay hanggang sa buhay na walang hanggan.
Superstar Nora Aunor na maalam na rin. Nagdadalamhati ang kanyang pamilya lalong-lalo na ang mga anak na sina Lotlot de Leon, Christopher Ian de Leon, Matet de Leon at ang kanyang mga apo na sina Janine Gutierrez. Today we say goodbye to a legend, but her voice, her brilliance and her soul-stirring performances will echo forever. Panoorin at kung hindi pa nakasubscribe, don't forget to click subscribe and hit the notification bell to keep you updated. Ini-announce na nga ni Lotlot de Leon ang ilang detalye sa pagkawala ng kanyang nanay Nora Aunor. May 21, 1953 to April 16, 2025. It is with deep sorrow that we announce the passing of Nora Aunor, our beloved mother. Celebrated television and movie actress and a true national artist of the Philippines. Born on May 21, 1953, she touched generations with her unmatched talent, grace, and passion for the craft. Her voice, presence, and artistry shaped a legacy that will never fade. She was a star not only on screen, but in the hearts of many, and stars like hers never stop shining. Funeral service details to follow. We thank you everyone for their love and support and ask for continued prayers during this time of mourning. Her light lives on forever, loved, never forgotten. Isa nga rin itong si Matet de Leon sa mga anak nitong si Nora Aunor na lubusan ang pagkalungkot sa pagkawala ng kanyang nanay. Talagang labis ang kalungkutan dahil close na close sila ni Nora Aunor. Napasabi na lamang siya ng I love you, mommy. Marami na nga rin na nagpahati ng condolences at pakikisimpatya sa kanyang pamilya. Sabi dito ni Claudine Barreto, condolence Matet, nandito lang si ate, mahal kita, mahigpit na yakap. Noong nabubuhay pa nga si Miss Nora Aunor ay palagi siyang nakaagapay at laging nasa tabi ng anak na si Matet de Leon. Ganyan niya kamahal ang kanyang anak. Marami pa rin na nagbibigay ng pakikiramay sa kanyang pamilya. Condolence Ate Matet. Never forget to smile po ha and pray I love you. Mula naman kay Gladys, my condolences tetam, hugs and prayer. Pakikiramay at panalangin. Isa naman din si Janine Gutierrez sa lubusang nangungulila dahil sa loob lamang na 1 linggo, 2 lola ang nawala sa kanya. Ang lola na si Nora Aunor na lola niya kay Lotlot de Leon. At ang isa naman ay si Miss Pilita Corrales na lola naman niya sa kanyang daddy na si Monching Gutierrez. Masakit ito para sa kanya dahil sabay na nawala ang kanyang lola. Mahirap para sa kanyang pamilya at syempre lubusan ang kanilang pagkalungkot. Nagbigay tribute naman si Miss Charo Santos sa kanyang nawalang kaibigan. Hindi malilimutan ang iniwang legacy ni Nora Aunor. Sabi dito from Charo Santos, walang himala. Ang himala ay nasa puso ng tao. And in the heart of every Filipino, there lies a deep love for one woman, the superstar Nora Aunor. Today, we say goodbye to a legend, but her voice, her brilliance, and her soul-stirring performances will echo forever. From the moment she stood on the Tawag ng Tanghalan stage, I was already a fan. I followed her journey closely, how a simple girl from Iriga became the country's most iconic actress. Her rise to superstardom was not just destiny, it was legacy in the making. Whether it was an himala, bona, 3 taong walang Diyos, die womb, or minsay isang gamo-gamo, she made us feel every emotion. Every tear she shed on screen felt like a collective heartbreak. Every line she delivered became etched in the memory of Philippine cinema. Nora, salamat sa sining. Salamat sa puso. You were never just an actress. You were our mirror, our voice, and always our superstar. My deepest condolences to her family, friends, and to every Norianian mourning this profound loss. May you find comfort in the legacy of love and greatness she leaves behind. Nagmamahal, Charo Santos. Mahal na mahal din si Miss Nora Honor ng kanyang anak na si Christopher Ian De Leon. With deep sorrow and heavy hearts, we share the passing of our beloved mother, Nora C. Villamayor Nora Honor, who left us on today, April 16, 2025, at the age of 71. She was the heart of our family, a source of unconditional love, strength, and warmth. Her kindness, wisdom, and beautiful spirit touched everyone who knew her. She will be missed.
Panghabang buhay
Young
hanggang
birds and
sa
remembered
kabilang
forever.
buhay na walang
Details to
hanggan.
be announced tomorrow.
I'm glad to share a laughter that honey girl.
Maraming salamat po mga Noranians. I love you. Panghabang buhay hanggang sa kabilang buhay na walang hanggan.
I'm glad to share a laughter that honey girl.
Maraming salamat po mga Noranians. I love you. Panghabang buhay hanggang sa kabilang